Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to unblock numbers on itel phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone call icon. So I'm going to simply click on here to open my phone call icon settings. Then the next thing you need to do is to head over to your settings from the top right there. Click on the setting icon. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply head over to your block numbers. They take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to select the actual number you want to unblock. So I'm going to simply click on here to unblock the number. Click on that. Then cancel or unblock. What you need to do is to simply click on unblock right here. And once you click on unblock, the number is going to be removed from your block list. And you can call back the block contact. You can also receive call from them. You can send them text message. They can also send you a text message. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to unblock numbers on itel phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.